Yeah, another blessed day on the farm. Today is a holiday, May 14, 2026. Another huge project on the farm. Landscape the entire area. See, landscape this entire area. Wow, it is exceptional. See. Wow. So I did not take no materials from the Coast Garden. Where this is good. So okay, fill the foundation. Foundation is filled. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Thank you, Brasaros. That's good. Mm-hmm. Ah. Oh yeah, behind the foundation, the 1 lakh. Yeah, 1 lakh. Yeah. Good.